What does a pair of shoes, a dozen donuts, and a ream of paper all have in common? Well, not much just by looking at their physical appearance, but if you think about the terminology that's used to describe the quantity, here we have a pair of shoes, and a pair just meaning a very specific number. A pair of anything represents two of that something. Here we have a dozen donuts. A dozen represents a very specific number, the number 12. Here we have a ream of paper. And a ream of anything is approximately 500 sheets of paper in this instance. So each of them has a very specific term that's used to describe a very specific quantity.